What's up, it's your boy B Majors, a modern day hope dealer, not dope dealer. We are here now at my old high school, John Harris campus, and we're here to do a phenomenal, super dope collaboration with Major Prep Apparel along with the Bryan Majors High Performance Leadership Workshop. So we're gonna have a crazy combination of both to the SBI students, also a program that I graduated from back in 2006. So this is a pleasure being able to come back and spread some more knowledge, some more love, and more wisdom to these youth here too. Stay tuned.
Hello.
Hey, you guys ready for presentations today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kinda.
You will be. You got this. Be confident. I took great pride in my education, so these hallways ain't see me too much. I'm not gonna lie. In between classes, in between lunch, they saw me, but when it was time to work, when it was time to gain the education, like I was in them classrooms. I wasn't playing around with my education. I didn't take that as no game at all to it. So here we go. SBI, let's lock in. 2006, I graduated from SBI too. And what I've learned in the SBI program about business and leadership and sacrifice and accountability and being self-motivated is what led me to being who I am currently today as a 13-year full-time entrepreneur and able to thrive within business and scale my business based on information that I've learned in SBI program when I was in high school as well.
Right here.
This was
not the tables being the same.
This was back in 2012. There's no way y'all like if anybody in SBI over the last 13 years would be able to say, I've never seen nobody chase their dreams and their goals.
We had our workshop program with Bryan Majors, and he gave us some gear. This workshop, it's been really inspiring for me, and I'm pretty sure for the rest of my classmates. He basically told us about the different ways he started his business, and he also encouraging all the rest of us to finish our businesses.
So we just left the SBI program. We did a phenomenal, dope workshop on leadership and goal setting, and it was powerful, it was impactful. If there's any principal, superintendent that is looking to have their students really be aligned with their goals and be able to mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually prepare for life after high school, make sure you contact me. We can make sure we have a package designed just for you and your students and make this thing really sharp and impactful, most importantly transformational for your culture, your school, most important transform and enhance our student lives. We got you covered. Don't miss out. All right?